from the city, the Fairmount Park Conservancy, and the Philadelphia Phillies organization. As a professional athlete and an individual, I recognize the importance of philanthropy. And with that, and with the help and support of my family, we've established the Ryan Howard Family Foundation as a means of giving back to the community. We'll be focusing our efforts, in Philadelphia as well as my hometown of St. Louis. And as Kate mentioned in her remarks, one of our first projects is here in Philly with the revitalization of Hunting Park. We chose the Hunting Park project because we recognize the role that a park plays, or the important role that a park plays in the community. A park not only functions as a place for kids to play, but as a hub for community activity. Kids have a place to play sports, families have a place to gather, and neighborhoods as a whole come together. And in these challenging times, it's critical for each of us to give our time and our resources to help improve the quality of life for those in need. I'm very proud to be working with the Fairmount Park Conservancy and to bring awareness to this project. And as a sign of that commitment, I would like to announce that the Ryan Howard Family Foundation will be making a donation of $50,000 to the Hunting Park revitalization. And to kick off these fundraising efforts, the foundation, I'm hosting an all-star bash on July 13th, 2009 in St. Louis. The event will be held at Lumen Event Space and features a special midnight performance by DMC of Run DMC. I know some of these kids in here don't even know who that is, but that's okay. All the grown folks know who it is. But I'd like to take a moment to thank the sponsors that are participating in this event, with Palm, Subway, Powerade, and Diageo. I would also like to thank the Philadelphia Phillies for making a generous contribution directly to the Ryan Howard Family Foundation. And here to tell you a little bit more about the mission of the foundation is my brother, Corey Howard.